Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I am here with my first unboxing of 2025, the first new pair of shoes of the year. I hope I'm starting it off right. I am hoping that you all will agree. Now, these aren't a particularly trendy shoe. If I were following trends or like what's really hot right now, I'd probably be looking to get the Miss Z from Louboutin. It's kind of crazy that they're starting to like crank out an everlasting sole and shoes with padding in it. That's crazy. What they need to do is make Socates with an everlasting sole and padding in it and then watch them fly off the shelves. But that's neither here nor there. That is not why we are here today, unfortunately. I don't have $900 sitting around to just spend on a pair of shoes. As much as I would love for that to be my reality, I am not rich. I just spend all my extra money on shoes, and I don't always have $900 just chilling for shoes. I've been paying off Tiny Tiger's surgery for a while. You would probably remember that a few videos back here or there when I had a surgery. Yeah, that's still being taken care of because veterinary care is not cheap, and I prioritize my cats more than shoes. So now that I've been on a tangent about absolutely nothing but what I am holding in my hands, let's go ahead and get into it. I guess we're gonna be hearing a fire alarm for some of this video, which sucks because I can't do anything about it. But the fire alarm will not take away the beauty of these shoes, the great deal of these shoes that I got. Now, if you know me, you know that I am always perusing my outlets. I am always looking around for a good deal because, as I said before, your girl does not have $900 of free fun money to spend on shoes, but she might be able to come up with $150, and that's exactly what happened here with these. This is not a brand that I typically go for. It's not something that I usually gravitate towards. It is one that I have purchased and really enjoyed in the past. And these are a little bit special because they are my first kind of heel like this. So let's go ahead and take it out of this little bag because they didn't come with a box, so I had to improvise. That's what you get when you shop outlets. Sometimes you don't get the box, but I've been throwing away the boxes since I got these shelves, so it didn't really matter. But here we go. These are the Aquazurra Uptown 105s. They are in this like really hot pink in a satin, and what I like about these is that it's just something I could slip my foot into. I don't have to worry about doing any buckles, any straps, any whatnot like that, because if you know me, if you know what I like and don't like, I like being able to just throw on a shoe and go. I don't like sitting there for 10 minutes fussing with it, just trying to get it on. I don't like to fuss. I don't like to futz. I don't like to mess around with it. So these are fabulous for me. These do remind me of the Louboutin Eau Maryland. It's kind of a similar concept with it just being very open. You just got your sort of, I don't know what you call it, outer quarter here, and then your strap. But those just did not fit my narrow little feet right. They were just not meant for someone with a foot like myself. But these fit correctly for a narrow foot. If you are someone with a narrow foot and you want a sandal that you could just throw on like this, these will work out for you. And what am I doing just holding the one and I haven't shown you the other yet? What type of human am I? The sickness must have gotten in my head or something, this cold or flu I've had for a while now. But let's go ahead and show you the both of them. There they are in all their glory. They are a 105, and they are my first ever pink sandals, and they are my first anything satin other than my, oh, you can't see them, my Manolos are down there. I was gonna show you them, but then it finally dawned on me that no, you cannot see them, but you can see these, And these I got a screaming deal for. I found these at the Neiman Marcus last call outlet. And these, they had them marked to $3.29. Hopefully you can see that. But then they marked them half off. So I paid a little over $150 for these, give or take. Now that I can achieve. But $900 on a pair of new Miss Z's is probably not gonna happen right now. So I'll take what I can get. Now, if anyone is watching this and they are curious about what on earth is the sizing for this. Now, I took my true to size, which is a 36. These are a 36. If you have a narrow foot, you are probably gonna wanna stick to your true to size like I have. If you have a more so average foot, you're gonna wanna go up a half size in these. If you have a wider foot, I would caution you stay away. But if you have your heart set on it, then I would say you need to go up at least probably a whole size. But I would still, if I had a wider foot, I wouldn't really, because the satin can get kind of munched if you stretch it. I'm just trying to make sure you don't buy shoes that you will destroy. I don't mean to be mean about it, just trying to be honest. But I digress. These were a screaming deal. I saw these, I tried them on. I had to have them. They aren't exactly in like the utmost perfect condition. You can kind of see a little bit of a, I don't know, catch in the satin, but that I can easily fix. But let's go ahead and get into my spiel before we go ahead and try these on. So if you have not already, I would appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, commented for the channel. It always helps the channel. If you would like to support me on Patreon, it starts at $3 a month. I would really appreciate it if you did that. If you would like a free way of supporting me, follow me on TikTok. I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers for obvious reasons. If you would like something tangible from me, go ahead and check out my Poshmark closet. I will have that linked below. I have hundreds of items that I go through and list all by myself at your disposal if you feel so inclined. Now, after all that, I will go ahead and try these on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next pair of shoes. Bye!